I am aiming to create a product or system that will intervene with the way in which individuals interact with either modern-day technology or infrastructure. I intend to do this because modern-day technologies are being designed to make life easier, but at the same time society is slowly becoming lazier and fatter than ever. This is a direct side effect of modern-day development. The way in which people interact with products and infrastructure in their everyday lifestyle has the potential to influence their social, personal and physical behaviour. If we can rework current design trends with human interaction and physical activity in mind, we may be able to utilise the development of modern-day technology and infrastructure to create a generally healthier society. This potential intervention may be through either a product or systems design. Current social trends are about making life easier for the user. This may be done through products, services or systems. The National Physical Activity Guidelines for Australians recommend a minimum of 30 minutes of moderate physical activity most days of the week. Moderate exercise includes walking. These 30 minutes of activity should normally be achieved through incidental exercise. However, because of modern-day technology and development, 30 minutes of exercise is getting further and further away from the norm. For example, escalators as opposed to stairs illuminate a very basic high-intensity form of exercise an individual may undertake in their everyday lifestyle. Personalised transport such as cars can be extremely useful in some circumstances, but also promote laziness and prevent people from using other active methods of transport such as walking, running and cycling. Many other modern-day products and forms of infrastructure affect this exercise level. It will be essential to draw on both qualitative and quantitative research methods to break down this issue. Methods such as action research, participant observation, questioning and surveying will allow me to study the social trends and lifestyles of those within metropolitan areas. Hands-on research methods will allow me to validate, legitimise and further understand my subject area. However, it will be essential to use surveying and questioning techniques to validate my findings on a broader spectrum. It will be vital that I use appropriate research methods to understand a specific area, but draw information from a large group to gain the facts, not opinions. I aim to target metropolitan areas as I feel this is where the majority of the problem is taking place. This is due to the popularity of technology within the groups of people who may travel to the CBD for work and other activities. The CBD and surroundings also includes a massive amount of infrastructure for such a limited amount of space. In a sensitive field such as public health, weight loss and exercise, it will be essential the right research techniques are used for a high level of documented research. This in turn will help legitimise the proposal in the public's eye. I aim to create a product or range of products that will intervene in the current problem. I'm hoping that during the immersion phase and exploration phase of my project, the particular need for a specific product will become clearer. I would like to propose an intervention that will not be perceived as dramatic or extreme. For example, completely removing escalators from metropolitan areas. This is extreme and unnecessary. For this design to be accepted by the public, it will need to be at a level that doesn't dramatically change an individual's lifestyle against their will. It will need to be in place as an alternative, not a solution. I wish to create a result that will impact society immediately, not overhaul it totally. Overall, I aim to explore the area of interaction design as a basis for my project. I feel the way in which people interact with technology and infrastructure has the ability to greatly influence their personal, social and physical behaviour. By exploring interaction design and applying it to my design, I will be able to effectively alter this interaction and hopefully change an individual's behaviour as a result. A big part of my project will be the immersion phase. Techniques such as action research, body storming, interviewing, questioning and observation will primarily be used to explore and collect a large range of appropriate data surrounding my issue. I will also draw on other methodologies such as user-centered design and reflective practice to help understand, reflect and evaluate my design progress. Using all of the above methodologies in line with the IAID method will allow me to learn, explore and intervene in a methodical way. The IAID method is very closely in line with the way in which I like to work. As I do not yet have a desired outcome, this methodology will allow me to immerse, then explore in a methodical fashion. This in turn would hopefully lead to a range of potential ideas. As a final project, I would like to see my design at a level where it could possibly be tested by the user to gauge its effectiveness in society. If my result is product-based, I would like to see my project at a fully resolved stage with a potential range of different products, working with ideas such as mobile phones, transport, household technology, games and toys, possibly redesigning these typical everyday items with exercise and health in mind. Overall, I would like to finish the year with a fully resolved outcome so I could implement my design in society on some sort of level. It will be extremely satisfying for me to see my design making an immediate difference in society, whether this is through an individual or an entire community. I think involving a designer in an area such as this may be a welcome change to helping solve the problem. I currently have a few close friends in the health promotion field whom are constantly trying to create policies, campaigns for awareness and prevention. After many conversations about their work, I feel that although these policies may be effective on some levels, they lack a sense of communication between paper and real life the designer can help create. The ideas are there but not the execution. The groundwork for helping to resolve some of Western society's health problems may already be there, but it is now time for a designer to intervene and explore the way in which this work can be communicated to the public more effectively. This may be through advertising, products, services, or systems.